Hosting, APIs, domains, coding assistance, courses, these are basically the bare minimum stuff every developer needs. But the thing is, they are not completely free. But what if I told you that you genuinely don't have to spend money on most of this stuff anymore? Because I found a bunch of free resources that can literally save developers hundreds of dollars every month. And some of these resources are so good that it actually feels illegal that they are free. So first, let's start with one of the biggest money traps for developers, courses. And listen, I'm not against buying courses. As developers, we absolutely need to keep learning because this industry changes every 5 business days. But what you should avoid is spending $100 on a course that teaches the exact same thing you could learn for free. So one really great free learning platform you should check out is Cognitive Class. This is a platform by IBM itself where you can access free courses in almost every tech areas. And this isn't just one of those websites with outdated tutorials and a PDF from 2016. They actually give you interactive labs, notes, projects, and even certifications, which honestly deserves respect because IBM could have easily charged money for this. Another platform I really recommend, especially for web developers, is called the Odin Project. If your goal is to become a full-stack developer from scratch, this site is genuinely one of the best free resources on the internet. It gives you a structured roadmap, teaches you by making you build actual projects, and has a really active community. So make sure to check these sites out. Now let's move on to something even more expensive. APIs. If you're building literally any modern application today, chances are you will need external APIs. And especially right now, everybody wants to integrate AI into their applications. The problem is that these APIs can get expensive very quickly, even for small projects. So before I show you where you can get free AI APIs, one incredibly useful resource is this GitHub repository called Public APIs. This repo is basically a dictionary of free APIs. Whatever you need, whether APIs, finance, anime, cryptocurrency, random useless APIs that nobody asked for, chances are you'll find it there. Now for AI APIs, my favorite platform right now is OpenRouter. And honestly, this thing is insanely useful. Basically, you create an account, get one API key, and then use that same key to access different AI models from different providers. And if you set the pricing filter to $0, you can see all the free models available to use. This is the best free alternative to these costly AI APIs. So make sure to check these sites out. Now let's talk about hosting platforms, which is basically where developers deploy side projects to slowly die in peace. Thankfully, hosting has become way cheaper and more beginner-friendly now compared to a few years ago. Platforms like Versal, Netlify, Render, Railway, and Cloudflare Pages all offer really solid free tiers where you can deploy front-end apps, back-end, and full-stack projects in minutes. And if you need databases, platforms like Supabase are amazing. And for NoSQL databases, MongoDB Atlas also has a pretty generous free tier that works perfectly fine for small and medium-sized projects. Now finally, let's talk about the bonus resources. And honestly, these are probably the most overpowered ones in the entire video. First, we have the GitHub Student Developer Pack. If you have a student ID and you are not using this already, you are genuinely missing out on free money. You get access to free domains, cloud credits, GitHub Copilot, hosting services, developer tools, courses, and a ridiculous amount of premium resources completely free. The amount of stuff they give students is honestly insane. And if you're not a student anymore, well, just borrow your cousin's student ID or something. Anyway, once you get accepted into the program, you basically unlock hundreds or even thousands of dollars worth of developer resources. Another resource I absolutely love is this website called Free4Dev. And this site is honestly one of the greatest survival guides for broke developers. It's basically a giant collection of platforms that offer free tiers, credits, or free plans for developers. If you need something for your development workflow and want to know if you can get it for free, this should be your first stop before spending money. So yeah, being a developer can become surprisingly expensive if you're not careful. But thankfully, we also live in a time where there are more free resources available than ever before. Anyway, I'll link all the resources in the description below. And if you want a part 2 with even more free developer resources, drop a comment because I've barely scratched the surface in this video. If this helped you out, show some love, and I'll see you guys in the next one.